This is a custom LED sign activated through sound detection, and in this video I'll quickly journey through my thought process of the project, the sign's complete construction, and how it fundamentally works as an electromechanical device. For starters, a few months ago I was inspired by fellow YouTube creators to get a custom LED sign that features my channel logo. Originally my plan was to somehow buy a sign that I could use for my future makerspace, this workbench, or a studio. However, after seeing the internet filled with nothing but expensive options, and many other YouTubers creating similar signs, I was inspired to create one with a new element that would fit with the motive and uniqueness of my channel. And with that, my idea of a clap-enabled neon sign was born, and it was then time to build. But before we do that, I want to give you a sneak peek into my next build. Currently, I'm working on a machine that automatically and mechanically spins a basketball. And with that comes a lot of problems and obstacles that I need to overcome. And so if you want to travel along that journey with me, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, and also be ready to check back in a couple weeks when that next video is released. Now we can turn our attention to the build of the project. By design, I began by cutting out a circular backdrop that would be both the sign structure and the holder for the neon lights. Then, after a little sanding, I conventionally printed and aligned a large-scale model of my channel logo on the circle. By doing this, it allowed me to drill repeated holes through the template and the sign. With these holes aligned, I was next able to trace my initials and begin the preparation for wiring the lights. For the lights, I used L or electroluminescent wire, which becomes lit when current is applied. By using thin fishing line and lots of tedious maneuvering, the base sign was now completed. However, following the physical build of the project, the next step was to enable the smart capabilities using an Arduino, the sound sensor, and a micro servo. By using a battery pack to power the circuit and wires to connect the components, I printed a custom 3D printed part to enable the clicking of the power buttons. In short, by refining the circuit and writing a short piece of code, the sign simply lights up with a clap. Ultimately, although this project is more of an innovation than an invention, it was a simple yet effective way to promote creativity and create a studio vibe for my channel. And with that, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video, and know that I greatly appreciate your support of all the hard work and time that goes into these projects. If you enjoyed this video, I invite you to subscribe to my channel so that when I post future videos about cool projects, you'll be notified when that happens. And also, if you're interested, I invite you to both like the video and leave a comment of just a question or anything that you'd like to say. Lastly, I just want to say thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video.